on, guys? It's your boy Habits back with another POV, or back with a POV since this is my first POV. What was that? I swear I be running over random stuff that be in the road. I don't even know what be in the road. But I'm on my way to my friend's house to get my hair done. Get over. I don't got no GPS up because I know how to get there from here. But let me know how y'all day going, Cause I literally woke up, around, I got up at the bed at like 11 something, I believe. Is it from 10:30 to 11, that's when I got up. This is a POV driving in Baltimore, or POV of driving on Baltimore roads. Just know the people down here, they really don't know how to drive. What I can say is from Texas and Baltimore, they have different driving skills. Different driving skills, yeah. Where I live, it's like dull. Like we live by water, but it's like still dull. But right here, this is just like, this is a main road that connects to like everything in the little city, well, in the county, shall I say? But yeah, I'm trying to be consistent. I'm gonna start being consistent. But this is only my second video though. But I'm gonna start being consistent. Like whenever I'm in a car, grab the camera. There's a POV video right there. Cause I'm always driving. I'm always going somewhere. And yeah. Got US Smart. Speed limit 35. We both going like 40. That's 5 above. That's legal. Nice Hummer right there. G. Person flying. That's probably why they got it didn't up. Over there speeding. Right lane closed. 1,500 feet. So that means we gotta get over. And look at them. Like, y'all know y'all gotta get back over, right? That's what I'm saying. People don't know how to drive. Ooh, bless me. God dang. But ain't nothing really popping off right here. Like on the road. But I'll catch y'all back on when we get to the highway. Alright guys, so we on our highway. Even though it's gonna be a short trip on the highway. Cause where I was coming from, all you gotta do is go down a little turn and then hop on the freeway for a little minute and then take your exit. Yes, you can see now it's full of clouds. I think it's gonna rain. This cloud right here it's making it look like it's gonna rain. See, I can go to that dealership down there. Yeah, just go look at these cars, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is a short trip on the highway. I'm gonna start doing more POVs on the highway, because these highways be long, and places I be going, they be taking me a good minute. If I hit one more thing, god dang. Well, I didn't hit it, it just hit my wheel, like the hubcap. Yes, I'm riding in a 2006 Mitsubishi Lancer. Ain't no shame in my game. We all gotta start somewhere. You got this EMS truck in front of us. I didn't mean to rhyme right there though. it's really a short trip. But guys, after I leave my friend from getting my hair done, I gotta go to work at Amazon. But yeah, I'm gonna continue recording till then. Like, I'm not gonna stop recording for today. I'm still gonna record whenever I'm in the car going somewhere. Only when it's just me, because they might not want to be on camera. So gotta respect that in them. I love this truck. I'll show you this truck right here. Got this little camo on it. That's a camo. That's weed. What I'm talking about? I miss my Infinity. Am I too far over there in the lane? I feel like I am. That dude work at our job. The little green car. Green Infinity. Like, guys, I'm debating on if I wanna sell this or trade this in to get something else, or just keep this and modify this, but also work on getting me a second car. So I'm gonna need y'all to comment down below and help me decide on what's a good choice, or what's a good plan. Yeah, we're getting close to my friend's house, so I'm gonna cut y'all on when we're on our way to somewhere else. Alright guys, so I'm leaving now. I just got my hair done. I'm about to hit the work. I literally got a couple minutes. I'll be there about 6:25. So it's basically 6:20. There go my AirPods. Yeah, I'm scheduled 6:30 to 5. But if you want an extra couple minutes, be there by 6:25. If that makes sense. Yeah, we're on the road again. I gotta hurry up because my battery finna down my camera. Literally. I bet if I stop recording right now, it's gonna say battery exhausted. But really, yeah, ain't nothing really going on. Just gonna be dropping to work, going there, and then on break, I'm be editing. They don't know that you're not supposed to turn on red. It's a whole sign up there that say no turn on red. No turn on red. Not that it took a minute for it to zoom in. I'm telling you, this boy zoom in all the way. From here I can read it, but for y'all it's far. But this is that wide optical zoom. So yeah. But I just got little plaits in my head. Just little plaits. This light turn green. I kind of hate going down this street right here. Because it got a speed camera right here. Let me see if you can see it. This little white box right here. Them right there. So they want you to go just 30 to 35 right here. If you go 40, oh yeah, you can't talk. Because I got caught plenty of times right here. My first time on this road, I was flying down the street. Not really flying, just I'm going about 40. Going about 40 now. But yeah, I'm for sure gonna go do social experiments. Cause I don't know if I want to post it on this channel or my other second main channel. It's called Habits. I'll link it down below. Look at that Durango right there. That was nice. But yeah, I don't know if I want to do it on there or do it on here. Yeah, I'm still debating. I asked my sister, she said do it on this one. I'm like, okay. But at the same time, I also want to get another camera. Probably another one like this, because this is a good budget. It's a cheap camera for starting YouTube. But I've been having this camera for, I think, a little over 3 years. No, I think three or 4 years I didn't have this camera. That's crazy. And this camera's still functioning. Everything still works. The lens probably look fuzzy and all jacked up, but it kind of get the job done. But I want to invest in myself to, invest in myself for YouTube. Because it's all about the visuals, the content, how the content look, how it sounds and all that. But it's like I really want this channel to be based around cars, but it still can be. I can also throw in my vlogs, my daily vlogs. I got 3 channels. I already know one is basically gaming. So anything that got to do with video games and all that. I don't think I'm gonna make the Habits channel my music channel, because one, I don't even, I make music. Give me a second, I got a break. This ground's wet. That's what she said. But yeah, I make music, but it's not like on a consistent basis. It's like I record it, and then I record like a rough draft type, and then it just sit on my phone, and then then the next day or the next 3 days I don't worry about music, and then I go back to it. So it's not like I'm making music on a consistent basis. Like, come on, dude, you had all day to jump over. Like, what are you doing? Like, then he still got his blinker on. Like, if you're getting over, get over. Don't look at yeah, don't pay attention to how fast I'm going, even though I just showed y'all that. I'm going 59. Yeah. Like I said earlier, I gotta work today, which is Wednesday. Gotta work Thursday, off Friday. So I'm gonna do a vlog on Friday. I'm trying to do 2 videos, like a POV plus a vlog. Because I got 2 SIM cards. SD cards. So I got 2 SD cards. The sky's pretty. That's God blessing everybody. But yeah, I got 2 SD cards, so one I can do for a vlog, and then the other one I can do for the POV. So stay tuned for that. If you're new, subscribe. Hit that like button. Comment video ideas. Comment what type of cars y'all want to see mostly. What's your favorite car? What car should I what's a good car for me to upgrade to, based on the cars that I told y'all I liked it in the last video. Or like what type of social experiments y'all want to see. Just stuff like that. Or just comment random stuff. Not like random stuff like random letters, but I'm saying like comment, oh, how your day going, or you might inspire me, or this can help you better being a YouTube creator type. You know what I'm saying? Just help everybody out around the world. Again, with that one hand. But I'm coming up on my job. What time is it? 6:27. Yeah, you're gonna be late. You don't know why? Because I still got a party. Did y'all hear that whine? I got that V8 under here. Got that Hemi engine. Let me give y'all a little pull real quick. Hold on. Let them go back some. I'm doing all this and I'm talking about I'm gonna be late for work. So like my car, it got like a little whine to it. Everything's good with my engine. For y'all that was like, the type of car you have, your engine shouldn't be sounding like that. My engine is good. Like I do checkups like often. Like I do sound check. I actually take it to the shop. If y'all want to know where I go to Walmart. Well, cause I got an account with them. And then they give your boy a little hookup. So, cause they be checking other stuff, and I'm just going there for like oil change and other stuff. But like I got my spots or my places where I go to get certain stuff done. So you gotta have them hookups. You gotta be cool with not everybody, but cool with some people. Yeah. That's a nice truck. But my job is like literally up here. So guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And so, let me get over here. That's probably where the lighting is anyways. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Mostly everybody on here is new. So subscribe if you're new. Show love. And I will show love back. What are you looking at? The dude in the car right here. It's right there. What are you looking at? Yeah. Okay. I thought I was zoomed in for a second. But yeah.
Cody Beats.
What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah.
Sometimes I sit by myself and think what's going on. You know what you be here, so it's bigger than a home. Gotta get right, cause I want my money long. Baby, you a queen, so why do you do it wrong?
What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah.